Watch out. What did you get?
Flowers from my hubby.
For
Thank you
why?
for Easter.
Yep.
Happy Easter, guys. Thank you. Thank you, babe.
That's not all.
That's not all. What?
That's not all.
What
Wait.
happened?
You have to wait.
Sobrang kinilig ang lola nyo guys because he surprised me with fresh flowers and lemon cake and also cash money of $200. Ayan.
So what? Hubby got me lemon cake. So let's try it, guys. How big you want, my love? How big you want? Ayan na yung lemon cake. Looks good. For me and hubby. Happy Easter, everyone. God bless.
2,000 years later.
Guys. Hi, I just got off from work and we're heading to get some food. Don't mind my pimple. And I got this from my work, guys. And it has a $10 inside. Right here, grab a snack, take a seat, and tune in for the big reveal. So after we got the $10, we're gonna watch like a 25 minutes video about the revelation about Michael Kors Spring 2024. Yeah, this is right there, Rhea, and then that one, and then with a $10 inside, guys. Cool. So all of us got $10. And today it's a nice day. We're heading to Wendy's to get some food. So we are here in Wendy's and then we are ready to order, guys. And malakas ang music inside, so ayoko ma-copyright. And then ayan, kaya nag-voice over na lang tayo. Ayan, si Habi nag-o-order na siya, guys. And then we're getting our drinks. Ayan, sa akin ay Fanta Zero Sugar, and kay Habi naman is Cherry Coke yung sa kanya. So, by the way guys, dito sa US, unlimited yung drinks mo. Kaya maraming, yung obesity dito is like 90% or more. Kasi unlimited yung drinks dito, guys. Ang lalaki pa. So, usually ang servings naman ng food is oversized talaga siya, guys. Ibang-iba kaysa sa Pinas. So, ayan. Walang pumapayat dito sa Amerika unless wala kang kinakain. Pero, usually tumataba talaga, guys, kasi ang daming pagkain dito kapag masipag ka lang magtrabaho at may pera kang pambili. Ayan, Cherry Coke ni Habi, guys. So, ito na yung aming drinks habang naghihintay kami sa aming order. Ayan, hintayin lang natin. Nag-voice over tayo kasi ang lakas ng music. So, andito na pala yung order namin. Yung sa kay Habi is single baconator burger. And then, nag-order rin siya ng cookie. Chocolate chip cookie. And then, yung sa akin naman ay chicken wrap. Ayan, yung chicken wrap pala nila, guys, is hindi siya ganun kasarap. Hindi ko bet yung chicken wrap nila, pero okay na rin siya, guys. So, guys, we're done eating. We're going here in a grocery outlet, bargain market. So, look at that, guys. Oh, look at pineapple.
Pineapple, $2.
For $2. Avocados for $2. So, first time pala namin dito, guys, sa grocery outlet na to. So far, okay naman siya, guys. And, ayan, may napili kaming floor mat na naka-sale siya kasi parang Halloween. Pero, I love the color. Purple kasi siya. So, ayan, naglibot-libot kami dyan, guys. Ayan, nagtingin-tingin kami kung may magustuhan kami. Bibili kami ni Habi. Kasi itong grocery outlet na to ay nasa kabila lang siya ng Wendy's na kinainan namin. So, kaya dumaan na lang kami. And guess what? Ayan, may nakita kaming Kopiko brown coffee. At mura lang siya, guys, compare doon sa Eli's Oriental Market sa Pinoy store na pinupuntahan namin. Nasa $10.99 doon. Andito, nasa $8.99 lang siya. So, $2 talaga yung difference nyo, guys. So, imagine, 100 pesos pa yun sa pera natin. So, ayan, tinignan talaga namin, pinicturan ko at saka kinompare namin yung packaging niya doon sa coffee na doon sa bahay, guys. So, same talaga. So, ayan. Pero we support small business. Kaya doon pa rin kami sa Eli's bumibili, guys. So, ayan, nagtingin kami ng mga frozen seafoods nila. Marami silang frozen seafoods like shrimps, fish, mga salmon, guys. Pero, ayan, medyo mura lang talaga siya, guys, compare sa store na binibilhan namin. Ayan, nakakuha kami dyan ng salmon na isang pack, guys. So, ayan, nagtingin-tingin muna kami ni Habi. Kasi na-amaze kami sa price. Mura lang talaga siya. Ayan, ito yung nakuha namin, guys, yung salmon na yan. Nakabili kami ng salmon. So, ayan, dito na naman tayo sa wine section nila. Marami din silang iba't ibang klase ng wines. Ayan, ang dami. Pili ka lang. Ayan. Nagtitingin kami ni Habi ng sweet red na wine. Yung sweet wine ba, yung red wine. Pero sabi ng babae, wala daw silang super yung sweet wine talaga siya.
Many minutes later.
So, andito na pala kami guys sa bahay at nag-prepare na ako kanina ng dinner namin. Ayan, ready na. So, niluto ko na yung salmon. In-air-fried ko siya. At saka may vegetables tayo guys. Ayan, steam lang na vegetables. And then, yung carb natin is steamed potatoes lang guys. Tapos, lalagyan lang namin yan ng butter. And meron tayo ditong leftover na Fanta Zero Sugar. So, let's eat guys! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. God bless everyone.